demo day was very successful. We had 41 small businesses participate. One company had 2 technologies, so we had 42 devices that were presented to a group of various subject matter experts from across the field. Overall, our event probably topped out about 300 folks, and that's pretty much on par with some large-scale events that happen virtually across the nation. This is going on a 4th year of running Tech Warrior Enterprise and doing these types of events. And this is the first event that, dealing with the government tech scouts, that they had asked for almost 100% of the documents to be submitted, that they'll socialize up and above to their leadership and folks that could potentially make them program of records or lead to purchase requests. We understand that in-person event and the interaction with the general admission, the folks that come out, whether they're from big business, industry, investors, that interaction in person is very different from what a virtual event is. We tried to do our best to put those folks in the same room and do a presentation of where it would work. And we had amazing success. One of the things that we learned from this event was we accepted a lot of UAS type devices. This was the most we've ever had submit in that category. Not something that I'm particularly familiar with. So we augmented some of our staff members that are inside the community to come in and talk. We had around 15 or so UAS. It wasn't intentionally done, but that was a need that is coming from the government tech scout for that. That's one of the things that's plaguing the battlefield right now of counter UAS and how to better use UAS. We also turned away probably a good dozen or so that just didn't fit the genre, that were 100% medical in nature or were fully cyber. So what we do in those cases, we don't turn anyone away completely and close the door, we just deflect them. Coming up in July, we're actually going to be launching a full medical event that would fit for you. So we try to push them in the right direction. We'll set up one-offs with them doing the Tech Connect events to get them in with their specific folks to best suit their needs. Overall, the companies got very great feedback from SMEs, gave them lots of things to think about. We've got quite a few folks that want to come back to future events, and then also have some folks that are looking to take advantage of our Tech Connect. As the calendar turns into 22 and maybe even later, some of these companies are going to be mainstays of how we prevent the next potential war, and then if need be, how we're going to defeat our adversaries in war using these tools that were part of this event.